Hare Krishna. I have some selected verses of Bhagavad Gita that I want to record for my own purpose. It says, Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Kutastva Kashmalam Idam Misame Samupastitam Anaryam Ajustam Asvargam Kirtim Kara Arjuna. The Supreme Personal Godhead said, My dear Arjuna, how have these impurities come upon you? They are not at all befitting a man who knows the value of life. They lead not to higher planets but to infamy. Karparnya doso upahatsvabhava prekshami tvam dhamma sammudachetaha yachreyam shanishtam bruhitan me sisyasteham sadhimam tvam prapannam. Now, I am confused about my duty and have lost all composure because of miserly weakness. In this condition, I am asking you to tell me for certain what is the best for me. Now, I am your disciple and a soul surrender unto you. Please instruct me. Sri Bhagavan Vacha Asochan Sochastvam Pragnavadam Savasasi Katasun Gatasumsa Nanushochate Panditam. The Supreme Personal Godhead said, while speaking learned words, you are mourning for what is not worthy of grief. Those who are wise lament neither for the living nor for the dead. न त्वेवाहं जातु नासं न त्वं नेमे जनाधिप न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम्. Never was there a time when I did not exist, nor you, nor all these kings, nor in the future shall any of us cease to be. देहिनो यस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्त प्राप्ते धीरः तत्र न मूयते. As the embodied soul continually passes in the body from boyhood to youth to the old age, the soul similarly passes into another body at death. A sober person is not bewildered by such changes. Matra sparshastu kaunteya shitoshana sukha dukadaha agama paino nityam tamta tithikshasya bharata. O son of Kunti, the non-permanent appearance of happiness and distress and their disappearance in due course are like the appearance and disappearance of the winter and summer season. They arise from sense perception, O sign of Bharata, and one must learn to tolerate them without being disturbed. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन्नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूय अजो नित्यं शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. For the soul there is neither birth nor death at any time. He has not come into being, does not come into being, and will not come into being. He is unborn, eternal, everlasting, permeable. He is not slain when the body is slain. भाषांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरो पराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णान्यन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि. As a person puts new garment, giving up the old one, the soul similarly accepts the new material body, giving up the old and useless one. जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्यु अध्रुवं जन्म मृत्युस्य च तस्मात् परिहारार्थे त्वं शोचितुम् अर्हसि. One who has taken his birth is sure to die, and after death, one is sure to take birth again. Therefore, in the unavoidable discharge of duty, you should not lament. Avyaktadini bhutani vyaktamadhyani bharata avyaktani dinani eva tatra ka paridevana. All created beings are unmanifest in their beginning, manifest in their interim state, and unmanifest again when annihilated. So, what need is there for lamentation? नेहाभिकर्मणो अस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमपि धर्मस्य त्रायते महतो भयात्. In this endeavor, there is no loss or diminution, and a little advancement on the path can protect one from the most dangerous type of fear. भोगैश्वर्यपशक्तानां तया प्रतचेतसां व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धि समाधो न विधीयते. In the mind of those who are too attached to sense enjoyment and material opulence, and who is bewildered by such things, the resolute determination for devotional service to the Supreme Lord does not take place. Tragunaya Vishaya Veda Nistrayaguna Bhavarjuna Niradando Nitya Sattastu Yogakshema Atmavan. The Vedas deal mainly with the subject of the three modes of material nature. O Arjuna, become transcendental to these three modes. Be free from all dualities and from all anxiety for gain and safety, and be established in the self. कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचिन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भूमा ते संगोस्तु कर्मणि. You have a right to perform your duties, prescribed duties, but you are not entitled to the fruits of action. Never consider yourself the cause of the result of your activities, and never be attached to not doing a duty. Duren hevaram karma buddhi yoga dhananjaya buddho sharanam anuvicha karipana phala yetava. O Dhananjaya, keep all abominable activities far distance by devotional service, and in that consciousness surrender unto me. Those who want to enjoy the fruits of their work are miser. Arjuna vacha sthiti pragnasya ka bhasa samadhistasya kesava sthiti kim prabhaseta kemaseta brajeta kim. Arjuna said, "O Krishna, what are the symptoms of one whose consciousness is thus merged in transcendence? How does he speak? And what is his language? How does he sit? And how does he walk?" Sri Bhagavan vacha prajahati yada kaman sarvan partha manogatan atmannivatmana tusta sthiti pragataduchyate. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "O Partha, when a man gives up all varieties of desire for sense gratification, which arises from the mental concoction, and when his mind, thus purified, finds satisfaction in the self alone, then he is said to be in pure transcendental consciousness." Visaya vinivaratanti niraharasya dehina rasvarjam raso apyasya param drishtva nivartate. Though the immortal soul may be restricted from sense enjoyment, the taste for the sense object remains. But ceasing such engagement by experiencing a higher taste, he is fixed in consciousness. Dhyayate visayan pumsam sangasteshu bhajayate sanga sanjayate kama krodho vijayate. While contemplating the objects of the senses, a person develops attachment for them, and from such attachment lust develops. And from lust anger arises. Krodhat bhavati sammohat smriti brahma smriti bhransat buddhinasat pranashati. From anger, complete delusion arises, and from the delusion, bewilderment or memory. When the memory is bewildered, intelligence is lost, and when intelligence is lost, one falls down again into the material pool. Naste buddhira yuktasya nacha yuktasya bhavana nacha bhavata shanti ashantasya kuta sukham. One who is not connected with the Supreme in Krishna consciousness can have neither transcendental intelligence nor a steady mind, without which there is no possibility of peace. And how can there be any happiness without peace? Yanisham sarvabhutanam tasyam jagrati samyami yasyam jagrati bhutani sanisha pashyato mune. What is the night for the being is the time for awakening for the self-control, and at the time of awakening for all beings is the night for the introspective stage. Vihaya kamanya sarvan pumam charati nishpraha nirimamo nirahankara shashantim madhigachati. A person who is given up all desires of sense gratification, who lives free from desire, who has given up all sense of proprietorship and is devoid of false ego, he alone can attain real peace. Sri Bhagavan uvacha loke yasmin duvida nishta puro prokta mayanagha jnana yogena sankhyanam karma yogena yoginam. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "O sinless Arjuna, I have already explained that there are two classes of men who try to realize the self. Some are inclined to understand by empirical philosophical speculation, and others by the devotional service. Nahi kashi chanamapi jatu tishtata karmakit kare devasha karma sarva prakriti jaya gunahi." Everyone is forced to act helplessly according to the qualities he has acquired from the modes of material nature. Therefore, no one can refrain from doing something, not even for a moment. Yagnarthat karmano nyatra lokoyam karma vandana tadartham karma kaunteya mukta sangha samachara. Work done as a sacrifice for Vishnu has to be performed, otherwise work causes bondage in this material world. Therefore, O son of Kunti, perform your prescribed duties for his satisfaction, and in that way you will always remain free from bondage. Devan bhavayata nena te deva bhavayantu vaha parasparam bhavayanta seyo param param avapyasyatha. The demigods, being pleased by sacrifice, will also please you, and thus, by cooperation between the man and demigod, prosperity will reign all for all. Yagna sena santo muchanti sarva kilvisai bhujanti te tvagam papa pachanti atmakaranat. The devotees of the Lord are released from all kinds of sin because they eat food which is offered first for sacrifice. Others who prepare food for personal sense enjoyment verily eat only sins. अन्नाद् भवन्ति भूतानि परजन्यादन्न संभव यज्ञाद् भवति परजन्यो यज्ञ कर्म समुद्भव. All living beings subsist on the food grains which are produced from the rains. Rains are produced by performance of yagna, and yagna is born of the prescribed duties. Yad yad acharti shrestha tata devetaro janah sa yat paramanam kurute lokastadanu vartate. Whatever action a great man performs, common men follow, and whatever standard he sets by exemplary act, all the world pursue. Prakriti kriyamani guna karmani sarvasa ahankar vimunatma kartahamiti manyate. The spirit so bewildered by the influence of the false ego thinks himself the doer of the activities that are actually carried out by the three modes of material nature. Sreyan swadharmo vigunaha paradharma swanushtita swadharmam nidhanam sreyam paradharmo bhayavaha. It is far better to discharge one's prescribed duties, even though faultily, than another duty perfectly. Destruction in course of the performing of one's duty is better than engaging in others' duty, for to follow others' path is dangerous. Arjuna vacha athakenam prukto yam papam charati purushaha anichana vibhashaneva baladeva niyojitaha. Arjuna said, O descendant of Vishnu, by what is one impelled to sinful acts when unwillingly, as if engaged by force? Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Kamayesa Krodha Esa Rajoguna Samudbhava Mahasanno Mahapapam Vidyenam Ye Vairinam. The Supreme Personality of God had said, it is the lust only, Arjuna, which is born of the contact with the material modes of passion and later transform into wrath, and which is all self-devouring, sinful enemies of the world. Avirtam Jnanametena Jnanino Nitya Vairina Kamarupena Kaunteya Duspurena Nilena Cham. Thus, the wise living entities, pure consciousness becomes covered by his eternal enemy in the form of the lust, which is never satisfied and which burns like a fire. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Imam Vivasati Yogam Proktavan Aham Abhyayam Vivashwan Manuve Praha Manurikshwa Kwe Abravi. The person of God, that Lord Sri Krishna said, I instructed these imperishable science of yoga to the sun god Vivashwan, and Vivashwan instructed it to the Manu, the father of mankind, and Manu in terms of instructed to Ikshvaku. Evam parampara praptam imam rajadasa yogiduhu sahakalena hamata yoginasta param tapa. This supreme science was thus received through the chain of disciplic succession, and the saintly kings understood in that way. But in due course of time, the succession was broken, and therefore the science as it is appears to be lost. Arjuna vacha aparam bhavato janma param janma vivasvataha katametam dujaniyam tvamado proktavaniti. Arjuna said, the sun god Vivasvan is senior by birth to you. How am I to understand that in the beginning you instructed this science to him? Sri Bhagavan vacha bahuni me betitani janmani tavacharjuna tanyam veda sarvani natvam veda param tapa. The person of God had said, many births both you and I have passed. I can remember all of them, but you cannot. O subduer of the enemy. Yada idaya dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata avyuthyanam sarmasya tatatmanam srijamyaham. Whenever and wherever there is a decline in the religious practice of descendant of Bharata, a predominant right of religion, at the time I descend myself. Paritranaya sadhunam vinasaya duskritam dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami yugi yugi. To deliver the pious and to annihilate the miscreants as well as to re-establish the principle of religion, I myself appeared millennium after millennium. Janma karma chame divyam evam yo vete tattvataha tyaktadeha punarjanma naiti mameti. So Arjuna, one who knows the transcendental nature of my appearance and activities does not, upon leaving the body, take birth again in this material world, but attains my eternal abode, Arjuna. वीतरागवय क्रोधा मन्मया माम उपासरिता बहो ज्ञान tapasa puta madbhavam agata. Being freed from attachment, fear and anger, being fully absorbed in me and taking refuge in me, many persons in the past became purified by knowledge of me, and thus they all attained transcendental love for me. कांक्षन्तं कर्मणा सिद्धिं यजन्तं यदेवता क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा. Men in this world desire success in fruitive activities, and therefore they worship the demigods. Quickly, of course, men get result from the fruitive work in this world. कर्मणेऽपि बोद्धव्यं च विकर्मणः अकर्मणस्य बोद्धव्यं गहना कर्मणो गतिः. The intricacies of action are very hard to understand. Therefore, one should know properly what action is, what forbidden action is, and what inaction is. यस सर्वे समारंभा काम संकल्प वर्जिता ज्ञानाग्निदग्ध कर्माणं तमाहो पंडितं बुधा. One is understood to be in full knowledge, those whose every endeavor is devoid of the desire for sense gratification. He is said by sages to be the worker for whom the reaction of work have been burned up by the fire of the perfect knowledge. यद्रक्षालाभ संतुष्टो द्वंद्वतीतो विमसरः समसिद्धो असिद्धौ च कृत्वापि न निबध्यते. He who is satisfied with gain which comes out of his own accord, and who is free from the duality and does not envy, who is interested in both success and failure, is never entangled although performing action. Tadvidi paranipatena tas pariprasnena sevaya upadeksanti de jnanam jnanena tattva darsanaha. Just try to learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master, inquire from him submissively and render service unto him. The self-realized soul can impart knowledge unto you because they have seen the truth. यथे धाम से संसिद्धो अग्नि भस्मसात् कुरुते अर्जुन ज्ञानाग्निदग्ध कर्माणं तमाहो ज्ञानाग्नि सर्वकर्माणं भस्मसात् कुरुते तथा. As a blazing fire turns firewood into ashes, O Arjuna, so does the fire of knowledge burn the ashes or reaction to material activities. श्रद्धावान लभते ज्ञानम तत्परः समितेन्द्रियः ज्ञानम लब्धा परम शांति अचिरेणादि गच्छति. A faithful man who is dedicated to the transcendental knowledge and who subdues his senses is eligible to achieve such knowledge, and having achieved it quickly attain the supreme spiritual peace. Yoga yukto visuddhatma vijitatma jitendriyaha sarvabhutatma bhutatma kurvannapi na lipyate. One who works in devotion, who is pure soul, and who controls his mind and senses is dear to everyone, and everyone is dear to him. Although always working, such a man is never entangled. Kayena manasa buddhya kevalerindriyairapi yogina karma kurvanti sangam tyaktvatma suddhaye. The yogi is abandoning attachment, act with the body and mind intelligent, and even with the senses only for the purpose of purification. Vidya vinaya sampanne brahmane gavyasani suniche vasupake cha pandita samadarshanaha. The humble sages by virtue of true knowledge see the equal vision, a learned, a gentle brahmana, a cow, an elephant, a dog, and a dog-eater outcast. He shansvarshaja bhoga dukha yognaya yevate adiyantavanta konteya natesho ramate buddha. An intelligent person does not take part in the source of misery which are due to the contact with the material senses. O son of Kunti, such pleasure have a beginning and an end, and so the wise man does not delight in them. Kama krodha viyuktanam yatinam yat chetasam abhito brahma nirvanam vartate viditatmanam. Those who are free from anger and all material desire, who are self-realized, self-disciplined, and constantly endeavoring for perfection, are assured of liberation in the supreme in the very near future. Bhoktaram yagnatapasam sarvaloka maheswaram sarvasurdam sarvabhutanam gyatva mam shantim richati. A person in full consciousness of me, knowing me to be the ultimate beneficiary of all sacrifices and austerity, the supreme lord of all planets and demigods, and the benefactor of the well-wisher of all living entities, attain peace from the pangs of material misery. Jitatmanaha parashantasya paramatma samahita shitoshanasu dukkheshu tatha manavamanayoho. For one who has conquered the mind, the super soul is already reached, and he has attained tranquility. To such a man, happiness and distress, hate and cold, honor and dishonor are all the same. यतो यतो निश्चलति मनश्चञ्चलं स्थिरं ततस्ततो नियम्यते आत्मनैव वशं नयेत्. From wherever the mind wanders due to its flickering and unsteady nature, one must certainly withdraw it and bring it back under the control of the self. Parashantamanam enam yoginam sukham uttamam upayati sandarajasam brahmabhutama kalmasam. The yogi whose mind is fixed on me verily attains the highest perfection of transcendental happiness. He is beyond the mode of passion and he realizes the qualitatively identify with the Supreme, and thus he is freed from all reaction to the past days. Yoma pasati sarvatra sarvam cha mai pasati tasyam na pranashyami sachamena pranashyati. For one who sees me everywhere and sees everything in me, I am never lost, nor he is ever lost to me. Chanchala hemana Krishna pramathi valavadradam tasyam nigraham manne vayuriva sudusgram. The mind is restless, turbulent, obstinate, and very strong, O Krishna. And to subdue it, I think, is more difficult than controlling the wind. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Asamsaya Mahabaho Manodurnigram Chalam Avyasena tu Kaunteya Vairagyena Jagriyate. Lord Sri Krishna said, Almighty arm son of Kunti, it is undoubtedly very difficult to curb the restless mind, but it is possible by suitable practice and by detachment. प्राप्य पुण्यकृताम लोकान वसित्वा शाश्वती समा स्वचनाम श्रीमताम गेहि योगभ्रष्टो विजायति. The unsuccessful yogi, after many years of enjoyment on the planet of the pious living entities, is born into the family of righteous people or into the family of the rich and aristocratic. अथवा योगिनाम एव कुले भवति धीमताम एतद् विदुर्लभतम लोके जन्म ईदृशम. Or if unsuccessful after a long practice of yoga, he takes birth in a family of a transcendentalist who are surely great in wisdom. Certainly such a birth is rare in the wisdom. Tapesya vyodiko yogi jnani bhyo api madhvadika karmi bhasit yogi tasmad yogi vavarjana. A yogi is greater than the ascetic, greater than the empiricist, and greater than the fruitive worker. Therefore, Arjuna, in all circumstances, be yogi. Manusyanam sahasreshu kasyedata siddhaye yadataamapi siddhanam kashinmam vidi tattvataha. Out of many thousands among men, and one may endeavor for perfection, and of those who have achieved the perfection hardly, one knows me in truth. Bhumirapana lobhayo kamano buddhirevacha ahankaramityam me vinna prakriti rastadam. Earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, intelligence, false ego. All together these 8 constitute my separated material energy. Matta parataram nyanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya mayi sarvamidam proktam shutre manigana iva. O conqueror of the world, there is no truth superior to me. Everything rests upon me as the pearls are strung on a thread. Rasomapsu kaunteya pravasmi sasa suryayoho pranava sarvavedesu sabda khe paurusam nirsu. Ocean of Kunti, I am the taste of the water, the light and the sun of the moon. The syllable Om in the Vedic mantras, and I am the sound in ether and ability in the men. Tirvir gunamayer bhavir evi sarvamidam jagat mohitam na vijanati mamebhya paramabhyayam. Deluded by the 3 moods, goodness, passion and ignorance, the whole world does not know me, who am above the moods of inexhaustible. Devi asa gunamayi mama maya durateya mameva ye prapadhyanti maya metam tarantite. This divine energy of mind, consisting of the 3 moods of material nature, is difficult to overcome. But those who have surrendered unto me can easily cross beyond it. Namam duskritno mudha prapadyante naradhama maya pratagnana asurim bhavam asrita. Those miscreants who are grossly foolish, who are lowest among mankind, whose knowledge is stolen by illusion, and who partakes the atheistic nature of the demon, do not surrender unto me. Chaturvidha vajanti mam jana sukritun arjuna artho jigyasu artharthi jnani cha varatarsabha. O best among the Bharatas, 4 kinds of pious men begin to render devotional service unto me: the distress, the desirer of wealth, the inquisitive, and he who is searching for knowledge of the Absolute. Tesam jnani nityukta ekavaktir visesati priyo hi jnani no atyartam aham sa cha mama priyaha. Of those The one who is in full knowledge and who is always engaged in pure devotional service is the best. For I am very dear to him and he is dear to me. Bahunam jarmanam ante jnanavan mam prapadyate vasudevah sarvamiti sahamatma sudurlavaha. After many births and deaths, he who is actually in knowledge surrenders unto me, knowing me to be the cause of all causes and all that is. Such a great soul is very rare. कामस्ते पृथज्ञान प्रबधन्त्यन्य देवताः तं तं निमस्ताय प्रकृत्या नियता स्वया. Those whose intelligence has been stolen by the material desire surrender unto demigods and follow the particular rules and regulation to worship according to their own nature. Yo yo yam yam tanu bhakta saraddhaya rechitum ichati tasya tasya chala saraddham tameva vididhyameham. I am in everyone's heart as the super soul. As soon as one desires to worship some demigods, I make his faith steady so that he can devote himself to that particular deity. Naham prakasa sarvasa yogamaya samabrita modhoyam na vijanati loko mamajam abhyayam. I am never manifest to the foolish and unintelligent. For them I am covered by the internal potency and therefore they do not know that I am unborn and infallible. Vedam samatitani vartmanani charjuna bhavishyani chadabhutani mam tu veda na kasana varjuna. As the Supreme Personality of Godhead, I know everything that has happened in the past and all that is happening in the present and all the things that are yet to come. I also know all living entities, but me no one knows. Ichhadvesa samuthvena dvandamohena bharata sarvabhutani sammoham sarge yanti param tapa. O sign of Bharata, O conqueror of the foe, all living entities are born into the delusion, bewildered by the dualities, arisen from the desire and hatred. Yesham tvandagata papam jananam punya karmanam te dvandamoha nirmukta bhajate mam nirdhadabrataha. Person who have acted piously in the previous lives and in this life, and whose sinful actions are completely eradicated, are freed from dualities of delusion, and they engage themselves in my service with determination. Antakale cha mam eva asman muktva kalevaram yah priyati samadbhavam yate nastyatra samsayah. And whoever at the time of his life quits his body remembering me alone, at once attain my nature. Of this there is no doubt. Yam yam vapesmaran bhavan tyajanti te kalevaram tam tam aveti kaunteya sada tad bhava bhavita. Whatever the state of being one remembers when he quits his body, O son of Kunti, that state he will attain without fail. Tasma sarvesu kaleshu mamanushmaruddhacha mai arpite mano buddhi mame vesese samsaya. Therefore, Arjuna, you should always think of me in the form of Krishna and at the same time carry out your prescribed duties of fighting. With your activity dedicated to me and your mind and intentions fixed upon me, you will attain me without fail. Abhyasa yoga yuktena chetasana nagamina paramam purusham divyam yati partha nuchinten. He who meditates on me as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, his mind constantly engaged in remembering me, undeviated from the path, he, O Partha, is sure to reach to me. Ananya cheta satatam yomam smriti nityasaha tasyam sulabha partha niti yuktasya yoginah. For one who always remembers me without deviation, I am easy to obtain, O son of Partha, because of his constant engagement in devotional service. Mamupetya punarjanma dukhalem asvasatam namnuvanti mahatmana samsiddhim paramam gata. After attaining me, the great souls who are yogis in devotion never return to the temporary world, which is full of miseries, because they have attained the highest perfection. Brahma bhavana loka punaravartino arjuna mamupetya tu kaunteya punarjanma na vidyate. From the highest planet in the material world down to the lowest, all are places of miseries, wherein repeated birth and death takes place. But one who attains to my abode, O son of Kunti, never takes birth again. Rajavidya Rajaguyam Pavitram Idam Uttamam Pratakshavagamam Dharmam Susukum Kartum Abhyam. This knowledge is the king of education, the most secret of all secrets. It is the purest knowledge, and because it gives direct perception of the self by realization. It is the perfection of religion. It is everlasting and it is joyfully performed. मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृति सूयते सचराचरम हेतुनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्भि परिवर्तते. This material nature, which is one of my energy, is working under my direction, O son of Kunti, producing or moving or non-moving beings under its rules. This manifestation is created and annihilated again and again. Avajananti ma mudha manusim tanumasrita param bhavamajananto mama bhuta maheswaram. Fool ride me when I descend in the human form. They do not know my transcendental nature as the Supreme Lord of all that be. Satatam kirtayanto mam yatatansa dirvartaha namastyansachamam bhaktya nitayukta upasate. Always chanting my glories, endeavoring with great determination, going down before me, these great souls perpetually worship me with devotion. Pitamasya jagata mata dhata pitamaha vedam pavitra omkara regasama yajurevacham. I am the father of this universe, the mother, the support and the grand desire. I am the object of knowledge, the purifier, the syllable Om. I am also rigor, the Sama and Yajurveda. Ananya chintayantyo mam ye jana parupasate tesam nita vyuktanam yogakshemam bahamiham. But those who always worship me with the exclusive devotion, meditating on my transcendental form, to them I carry what they lack and I preserved what they have. Patram puspam phalam toyam yo me bhakta priyachati tadaham bhaktyam upritam asnami paryatatmanah. If one offers me with love and devotion a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or water, I will accept it. Yad karosi yadasnasi yadjuhosi dadati chatyat tapasasi konteya tatkursha madarpanam. Whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer or give away, and whatever austerity you perform, do that, O son of Kunti, as an offering to me. Sammoham sarvabhutesu namadveswasti napriyaha ye bhajanti tumam bhaktya mahite tesu chapyaham. I envy no one, nor am partial to anyone. I am equal to all. But whoever renders service unto me in devotion is a friend in me, is a friend, is in me, and I am also a friend to him. Abhicheta sudaracharo bhajate mamananivag sadureva samantabhya samyak vasito hi saha. Even one commits the most abominable action, if he is engaged in devotional service, is to be considered saintly because he is properly situated in the determination. Chipram bhavati dharmatma shashva shantim nigachati konteya pratijanihi nami bhakta pranashyati. He quickly becomes righteous and attains a lasting peace. O son of Kunti, declare it boldly that my devotee never perisheth. Manmanabhava mad bhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mamaive sasayuktvayam atmanam pat prayanaha. Engage your mind always in thinking of me, become my devotee, offer obeisances to me and worship me. Being completely absorbed in me, surely you will come to me. Aham sarvasya prabhavo mata sarvam parvartate iti matva vajati mam buddha bhava samanvita. I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly knows this engage in my devotional service and worship me with your all hearts. Machita madagata prana bodhayanta parasparam kathayanta cha mam nityam tushanti cha ramanti cha. The thoughts of my pure devotees dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my service and they derive great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing about me. Tesam satadhyuktanam bhajatam pirti purvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam enmamupi antite. To those who constantly devoted to serve me with love, I give understanding by which they can come to me. Tesam evanukam partham aham agnana jamtamaha nashyam yadnu bhavasto jnanadipena vasvatam. To show them special mercy, I dwelling in their heart, destroy within the shining lamp of knowledge the darkness born out of ignorance. Arjuna vacha param brahma param dhama pavitram paramam bhavan purusham sasutam divyam adidevam ajam vibhum ahustvarisya sarve devarisya naradastata asito devalo vyasa swayam chaiva bravishime. Arjuna said, you are the supreme person of Godhead, the ultimate abode, the purest, the absolute truth. You are the eternal, transcendental, original person, the unborn, the greatest. All the great sages such as Narada, Asita, Devala and Vyasa confirm this truth about you. And now you yourself are declaring it to me. यद्यद् विभूतिमत्सत्त्वं श्रीमद्ऊर्जितम् एव वा तत्तदेव अवगच्छत्वं मम तेजो अंशसंभवः. Know that all opulent, beautiful and glorious creation springs from but a spark of my splendor. अथवा बहुने तेन किं ज्ञातेन तम अर्जुन विष्टाभ्याम इदं कृष्णम एकांशेन स्थितो जगत. But what need is there, O Arjuna, for all this detailed knowledge? With a single fragment of myself, I pervade and support the entire universe. न तुमां शक्यसे द्रष्टुम् अनेनैव सचक्षुषा दिव्यं ददामि ते चक्षु पश्य मे योगम ऐश्वर्यम. But you cannot see me with your present eyes. Therefore, I give you divine eyes. Behold my mystic opulence. नाहं वैदिर्न तपसा न दानेन न चेज्यया शक्य एवं विदुद्रष्टुं दृष्टवान् यस्य मां यथा. The form you are seeing with your transcendental eyes cannot be understood simply by studying the Vedas, nor by undergoing the serious penances, nor by charity, nor by worship. It is not by these means that one can see me as I am. Bhaktya tu ananya sakya aham evam vidu Arjuna jnatum drishtum cha tattvena praveshtum cha param tapa. My dear Arjuna, only by undivided devotional service can I be understood as I am standing before you and can thus be seen directly. Only in this way you can enter into my mysteries of my understanding. Mat karma karan mat paramo mat bhakta sangha varchita nirvaira sarvabhutesu yaha sa mameti pandava. O dear Arjuna, he who engages in my pure devotional service, free from contaminations of fruitive activities and material speculation, he who works for me, who makes me the supreme goal of his life, and who is friendly to every living being, he certainly comes to me. Sri Bhagavan uvacha maya vesamano ye mam nitya yukta upasate sraddhaya parayopetas te me yuktatama mataha. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, those who fix their mind on my personal form and are always engaged in worshipping me with great and transcendental faith are considered by me to be most perfect. ये तो सर्वाणि कर्माणि मयि सन्न्यस्य मत्पराः अनन्येव योगेन मां ध्यानमुपासते तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता मृत्युसंसारसागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशितचेतसाम्. But those who worship me, giving up all their activities unto me, being devoted to me without deviation, engaged in devotional service and always meditating upon me, having fixed their mind upon me, O son of Partha, for them I am the swift deliverer from the ocean of birth and death. Mayeva manadhasta maye buddhim nimeshaya nivashisasi mayeva athavurdam na sansaya. Just fix your mind upon me, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and engage all your intelligence in me. Thus you will live in me always without a doubt. Advaishta sarvabhutana maitra karuna evacha nirmamo nirahankara samadukha sukakshami santushta satatam yogi yatatma dir nisaya mayi arpitamano buddhir yomed bhakta same priyaha. One who is not envious but a kind friend to all living entities, who does not think himself a proprietor and is free from the false ego, who is equal in both happiness and distress, who is tolerant, always satisfied, self-controlled, and engaged in devotional service with determination. His mind and intelligence fixed on me. Such a devotee of mine is very dear to me. Upadrishtanumanta cha bhokta bharta bhokta maheshwara paramatmeti chapyukto dehe asmin purusha paraha. Yet in this body there is another, a transcendental enjoyer, who is the Lord, the Supreme Proprietor, who exists as overseas and permitter, and who is known as Super Soul. Prakrityeva karmani Prakriti cha karmani kriya karmani sarvasaha yah pasyati tathatmanam akartaram sa pasyati. One who can see that all activities are performed by body which is created of the material nature and sees that the self does nothing actually see. Mama yonir mahat brahmata sin garma dadameham sambhava sarvabhutanam tato bhavati bharata. The total material substance called Brahman is the source of birth, and it is that Brahman that I impregnate, making possible the births of all living beings, O son of Bharata. सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेय मूर्तय संभवन्ति याः तासां ब्रह्म महद्योनिर् aham bija pradapata. It should be understood that all species of life, O son of Kunti, are made possible by birth in this material nature, and that I am the seed-giving father. Tatra sattvam nirmalatvat prakashakam anameyam sukha sangena badnati jnana sangena chanaka. O sinless one, the mode of goodness, being purer than the other, is illuminating, and it frees one from all sinful reaction. Those situated in that mode becomes conditioned by the sense of happiness and the knowledge. Urdam gachati sattvasta madhye tishnati rajasa jaganya guna virtista adho gachati tamasa. Those situated in the mode of goodness gradually go upward to the higher planets. Those in the mode of passion live on the earthly planets, and those in the above mode of ignorance go down to the hellish world. Gunanetan tritya trin dehi deha samudbhavan janma mritu jara dukkhair vimukto amritam vasnute. When the embodied being is able to transcend these three modes of associate with the material body, he can become free from birth, death, old age, and their distresses, and can enjoy the nectar even in this life. Mam cha yo vivicharena bhakti yogena sevate saha gunan samiti taitan brahma bhuyaya kalpate. One who engages in full devotional service, unfailing in all circumstances at once, transcendent the modes of material nature, and thus comes to the level of Brahman. Na tadvasate suryo na sasanko na pavaka yadagatva na nivartante taddhama paramamama. That supreme abode of mind is not illuminated by the sun or the moon, nor by the fire or electricity. Those who reaches it never returns to this material world again. Mamevanso jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatana manosashtani indriyani prakrityastani karshate. The living entities in this conditioned world are my eternal fragmental part. Due to conditioned life, they are struggling very hard with the six senses, which include the mind. Sarvasya chaham idhi sannavishto mata smritir jnanam apohanam cha vedesa sarvairaham vividyo vedanta krita veda videva chaham. I am seated in everyone's heart, and from me comes the remembrance, knowledge, and the forgetfulness. By all the Vedas, I am to be known. Indeed, I am the compiler of the Vedanta, and I am the knower of all the Vedas. Yo mameva sammudo janate purushottamam saha sarvavidhi bhajati mam sarvabhavena bharata. Whoever knows me as the Supreme Person of Godhead without doubting is knower of everything. He therefore engages himself in full devotional service to me, O son of Bharata. Aneka chite vibhranta mohajala samavrita prasakta kamabhogeshu patanti narkesu cho. Thus perplexed by the various anxieties and bound by the network of illusion, they become too strongly attached to the sense enjoyment and fall down into the hell. Hankara balam darpam kama krodha cha samsrita mamatma paradeheshu pradeshvantyo abhyaso yakaha. Bewildered by false ego, strength, pride, lust, and anger, and the demon becomes envious of the Supreme Person of Godhead, who is situated in their own bodies and in the bodies of others, and blaspheme again the real religion. Asurim yonima panna mudha janmani mam prapi vikonteya tato yantya dhamam gatim. Attaining repeated birth among the species of demonic life, O son of Kunti, such person can never approach me. Gradually they sink down to the most abominable type of existence. Trividam narka sedam dwaram nasam atmana kama krodha tatha lobha tasmadeta trayam tajet. There are three gates leading to this hell: lust, anger, and greed. Every sane man should give these up, for they lead to the degradation of the soul. Deva dvija guru pragna pujanam shocham arjamam brahmacharyam ahinsam cha sariram ta puchate. Austerity of the body consists in worshipping the Supreme Lord, the Brahmana, the spiritual master, the superiors like the father and mother, and in cleanliness, simplicity, celibacy, and the non-violence. Yata agre visamiba paraname amrtotpamam tatsukam satvikam proktam atma buddhi prasadajam. That which is in the beginning may be just like a poison, but at the end, just like the nectar, which awakens one to the self-realization, is said to be the happiness in the mode of goodness. Visaya indriya samyoga yatagre amritotpavam praname visamiva tasukam raja susmritaha. That happiness which is derived from the contact of the senses with their object and which appears like a nectar at first but poison at the end, is said to be the nature of passion. Yad agre chanubandhi cha sukham mohan atmanah nidralasya parmo nidralasya pramadotham tatatamasam udahritam. And that happiness which is blind to self-realization, which is delusion from the beginning to end, and which arises from sleep, laziness, illusion, is said to be in the mode of ignorance. Samodhamatapa socham shantim arjavam evacha jnanam vijnanam astikam brahma karma svabhavajam. Peacefulness, self-control, austerity, purity, tolerance, honesty, knowledge, wisdom, and religiousness. These are the natural qualities by which the Brahmanas work. Shaurya tejo dirti daksha yudhi chapa palayanam dhanam ishwaram bhavasha kshatram karma svabhavajam. Heroism, power, determination, resourcefulness, courage in battle, generosity, and the leadership are the natural qualities of work for the Kshatriyas. Krishi Guru Rakshavanijam Veskarmyam Svabhavajam Paricharyatmakam Karma Shudrapi Svabhavajam. Farming, crop protection, business are the natural work for the Vaishyas, and for Sudras there are labors and service to others. Sreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha Paradharma Swanushtita Swabhavaniyatam Karma Kurban Apno Dekilvisam. It is better to engage in one's own occupation, even though one may perform it imperfectly, than to accept others' occupation and perform it perfectly. Duties prescribed according to one's nature are never affected by sinful reaction. Brahmabhuta Prasanatma na sochati na kankshati sama sarvesu bhuteshu madbhaktim lavate param. One who is thus transcendently situated at once realizes the Supreme Brahman and becomes very joyful. He never laments or distress to have anything. He is equally disposed towards every living entity. In that state, he attained the pure devotion to me. Bhaktya mam abhijanati yavan chasmi tattvataha tato mam tatutu gyatva visade tadanantaram. One can understand me as I am, as a Supreme Personality of Godhead, only by the devotional service. And when one is in full consciousness of me, by such devotion he can enter into the kingdom of God. Chetasa sarva karmani mayi shanyashat madparaha buddhi yogam upasritya machitta satatam bhava. In all activity, just depend upon me and work always under my protection. In such devotional service, be fully conscious of me. Machchitta sarvadurgani matprasada tarisasi atachetam ahankaram sruyasi vinakshasi. If you become conscious of me, you will pass over all the obstacles and conditions life by my grace. If however you do not work in such consciousness but act through false ego, not hearing me, you will be lost. Ishvara sarvabhutanam hridadesi arjuna tishtati brahmayan sarvabhutani yantra rudhani mayaya. The Supreme Lord is situated in everyone's heart, O Arjuna, and is directing the wandering of all living entities who are seated as on the machine made of the material energy. Manmana bhava mad bhaktu madhyadi mam namaskaru mamai vesas satyamti pratijane priyasime. Always think of me, become my devotee, worship me and offer your homage unto me. Thus you will come to me without fail. I promise you this because you are my very dear friend. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam braja aham tvam sarva papebhi mokshayishyami masucha. Abandon all varieties of religion and just surrender to me. I shall deliver you from sinful reaction. Do not fear. Arjuna vacha nashto moha smriti lavdha tatparshadatmaya achyuta istito asmi gata sandeha karishi vachanam tava. Arjuna said, My dear Krishna, O infallible one, my illusion is now gone. I have regained my memory by your mercy. I am now firm and free from doubt, and I am prepared to act according to your instruction. Yatra yogeshwara Krishno, yatra partho dhanurdhara, tatra sri vijayor bhuti, dhurvani tirmatir mama. Wherever there is Krishna, the master of all mystic. And wherever there is Arjuna, the supreme archer, there will also certainly be opulence, victory, extraordinary power, and mortality. That is my opinion. Hare Krishna.